problem. You start getting sixes and you think you want more and you want more, and you just throw little shit at the car and it don't seem to help.
Yeah, you get so fast and you got to spend a lot more money to go faster.
Yep, you got to build a bigger engine there.
Shut up down there and get to work.
In from underneath.
That sucks.
Hurry up, it's getting dark.
You got your spacers. Got them right.
Forgot all about that.
Okay, you go for it. Your car.
E-brakes on, isn't it?
Oh, you're good, you're good.
When did he pull that out? You remember? Last fall, wasn't it?
Last fall. Been a while.
Yeah. Hopefully he'll stay in for good this time.
Sure hope so. No more stupid problems.
Man. Knock on wood. That money won't cure, right?
Yeah.
You crank. What else was there?
Converter.
Yeah. Went through
Pushing
the
up the
training.
tranny. Machine work.
Yeah, deck the block.
Huh?
Line hone it. You still crank, rebalance it.
Oh, we got a hop over.
Fucking easy way to do that.
Get your spacers under there.
Yep. I think we need to, one or the other, move the hoist or the car ahead a little. Or the hoist in.
Yeah, it's probably easier to roll the car for you.
Keep coming. Keep coming. A little more, a little more. Right there. Oh, right there.
Go to plastic stuff. Is it under?
Yep, it's real close. I can't really see shit.
It's getting dark, that's for sure.
It's pretty close. Go ahead and let it down.
I'll try to start the bolt.
Good.
Got him.
Yep.
I can probably get a couple just weights under the front here.
2, 3, 4.
I got one anyhow.
Get yours. Should've brought a flashlight with me. I can't fucking see shit up here.
You can't see much, it's getting dark.
Here, I'll help you. Oh, we're way off. You got it in the hole. Back down a little bit, Scott. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Gotta line the motor up. Right there, come up. There you go.
One's the mouth ain't exactly the easiest.
Got your other one? You should go right up, I think.
Washer in there.
Yep, it's not quite starting straight, but push the bolt towards the back. Still not right. There you go. You're somewhere close.
Alright, 9/16 wrench or ratchet maybe.
Didn't bring anything out yet. Still got one over here to put in, but three. At least it's in the area. I don't know if I can get this one or not. Reach over there. You under there? It's almost wet. Hey, what's in there? Should we tie them or should we just snug them up for
Snug
now?
them up at least.
Try to loosen it up again.
God damn, the gas under here is fucking getting high.
Hey. Definitely getting dark out here. Can't see too much.
Yeah. This way next week when it's nice and light, we'll be able to really knock this thing out.
Yeah.
Make her run again. All them cars running fives. I'll be the slowest one at the drag strip now.
Got nitrous a little more. We ain't got 5-second money. So.
I sure don't. Kind of the problem. You start getting sixes and you think you want more and you want more and you just throw little shit at the car and it don't seem to help.
Yeah, you get so fast and you got to spend a lot more money to go faster.
Yep, you gotta build a bigger engine or...
Shut down there and get to work.
I didn't have a...
I don't know if that's what you need or you need more.
If I didn't drive this on the street, a fucking trans brake would help this car a lot.
Yeah, it kind of ruins your drivability.
Man, your flashlight's warm.
Yeah, see the other extension there. I'll snag this side up one. I just go right here on one of them. You already do this one here? Finger. That's good stuff. It's pretty much dried up.
Ooh.
I'll take the cherry picker out.
You find something to cover the engine up with.
Put it up on the horse. Nice, at least get the tranny hanging in there with it though. Hose in the way.